I wanted to talk about the logger design for a bit. Now, designing a mobile logger for the interactive air quality map project from a design perspective is really about three things. The first is connecting all the tech that I've just Frankenstein together to make my modified ESDK in a more deliberate way. The second is about making it as small as possible. And the third is about how the logger will be mounted. The thing is, a lot of the people that would eventually carry the logger are going to be volunteers, and I don't imagine a lot of them will feel comfortable with having a permanent sensor attached to their cars. So a temporary but secure mounting option is required. Now, the other consideration that contributes to this requirement is the fact that the logger is going to find its way to places where it would potentially expose some of the organizations contributing to the air pollution in Lagos. And I can tell you from personal experience, they will not welcome the attention. So some covertness is required, with the logger sort of having a spy quality to it. Having a mobile logger that deploys in seconds and is able to be disguised like it was always there is going to go a really long way. The way I've chosen to address this mounting requirement is by using magnet switches. I first came across this concept from a video made by Andrew Klein and then another made by the Action Lab. Both videos did a fantastic job explaining how a permanent magnet can be turned off, and I'll attach links to the videos. You should definitely go watch them. The concept is really simple though. The only way to turn off a permanent magnet is to contain all its magnetic flux inside a ferromagnet. So the magnet appears off because it has little to no flux to spare to attract other objects. Conversely, you can force the magnetic flux through the ferromagnets, which then means any metallic object that comes close will provide a very convenient path for the flux, which has the effect of attracting the object. And in that case, we say the magnet is on. So it really all comes down to very clever arrangements and mechanisms to switch the magnets between these two states. This is what that looks like in CAD, and I take zero credit for this design. In fact, I've just shamelessly copied Andrew Klein's very clever implementation, and you see his original design in his video. To switch the magnet on and off, you simply turn the top by 60 degrees, which switches 6 sets of neodymium magnets between the two orientations I described earlier. This mechanism is what now makes up the left and the right sides of the mobile air quality logger. So I'm able to very easily and very quickly mount this onto any metallic surface, which of course includes the taxis that would eventually carry the loggers. So with this, you can hopefully start to see where I'm going with the new logger design.